Cooking at home, a simple guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common and useful phrase, cooking at home. This phrase is not just about preparing food. It's a part of daily conversation in English-speaking countries. So, let's dive in and understand all about it. Cooking at home refers to the process of preparing and making food in one's own house, rather than eating out at restaurants or buying pre-made meals. It involves various activities like chopping vegetables, boiling, frying, or baking. This phrase can be used both literally and metaphorically in English conversations. This phrase is commonly used in daily life. For example, when someone asks, "What are your plans for dinner?" you might reply, "I'm cooking at home tonight." It's a simple way to describe your meal preparations. This phrase is also used to suggest a healthier or more economical choice compared to eating out. In many English-speaking countries, cooking at home is seen as a wholesome, family-oriented activity. It often implies a sense of comfort, tradition, and skill. Discussing what one cooks at home can be a way to share cultural or family recipes and is a common topic in social conversations. Here are some related phrases and words. Home-cooked meal, a meal prepared at home from fresh ingredients. Meal prep, the act of preparing several meals at once, usually for the upcoming week. Recipe, instructions for preparing a particular dish. Baking, cooking food by dry heat, especially in an oven, often used for bread, cakes, and pastries. That's all about cooking at home. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is not just about words. It's about the culture and lifestyle they represent. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.